The Micro IQ lock consists of a 5-button keypad, a knob, a program button, which is also the lens for the key fob, a battery holder and cover, and 3 LEDs, green, red, and yellow. The lock is shipped pre-programmed to a factory code. When entering each digit of the code, the green LED will flash and an audible beep will sound. When the correct code is entered and the unit is unlocked, the green LED will illuminate. The Micro IQ lock can be controlled by up to 3 different keypad codes and an optional blue key fob. For the first level of access, there is a 6-digit master code and an optional blue key fob. The blue key fob indicates that it is the control fob. For the second level of access, there is a 3 to 6-digit supervisor code. For the third level of access, there is a 3 to 6-digit user code. Key fobs come pre-coded and the code is engraved on the back of the fob. Millions of codes are available and specific codes can be assigned exclusively for our customers.